What you're about to witness is a transformation so profound, it will change how you see the world around you. A hidden power lies in the simplest of actions, a power to restore and reclaim. The journey begins not with a bang, but with a whisper of change, as one person decides to challenge the overgrowth. Each pass of the blade is a stroke in a larger masterpiece, a landscape waiting to be unveiled. Slowly, order begins to emerge from the chaos, a testament to unwavering effort. The first phase is complete, but this is only the beginning of a much deeper story. Now, the true artistry begins as a team assembles, united by a shared purpose. Working in unison, they begin to gather the remnants of the wild, clearing a path for renewal. From a distance, the scale of their task becomes clear, a monumental effort to bring back the beauty hidden beneath. Within the Earth's arteries, a careful hand ensures that life's vital channels can flow freely once more. With methodical grace, the heart of the landscape is cleared of all obstruction. The progress is steady, a rhythmic dance of restoration and care. As the final debris is cleared, a sense of completion hangs in the quiet air. A moment of reflection surveying the transformation brought forth by their hands. The result is breathtaking, a pristine pathway, reborn and revitalized. The landscape breathes again, clean and orderly, a stark contrast to its former self. Far-off hills bear witness to this quiet victory, a triumph of diligence and vision. And so, one chapter closes, leaving behind a testament to the power of dedicated work. The story continues in another corner of this land, where the earth itself is being reshaped. Here, two souls work in silent harmony, their tools, an extension of their will to create order. They carve new lines into the terrain, sculpting the ground with practiced ease. Their coordinated effort is a dance of creation, each movement complementing the other. A brief pause, a shared, unspoken understanding of the immense task before them. With renewed vigor, they press on, their strength reshaping the very earth. In a simple, profound exchange, they combine their efforts, achieving more together than they ever could alone. The work is nearing its end, the landscape, bearing the marks of their incredible labor. They move to a new canvas, bringing their transformative energy to the roadside. Her focus is absolute, her movements precise, as she meticulously clears the way. The rhythm of her work is mesmerizing, a study in dedication. She continues, undeterred by the scale of the task, lost in the flow of her labor. Each section cleared is a small victory, contributing to the stunning final result. Together again, their combined strength makes the impossible seem effortless. Once more, her unwavering focus guides her hands, perfecting every detail. The sun beats down, but her resolve does not waver. She's a force of nature in her own right. Her work is a quiet promise, a promise of renewal, written upon the land itself. The final touches are applied with care, a testament to her pride in the work. As she finishes her section, the transformation is both subtle and profound. The mended landscape stands as a powerful symbol of what can be achieved through patient, hard work. In a tranquil pepper garden, another restoration begins, this time focusing on the concrete veins that sustain it. With intense focus, he clears the vital waterway, ensuring the health of the plants around him. Elsewhere, the roar of a machine signals a new phase, taming the wild edges of the land. The untamed grass falls away, revealing the clean, sharp lines of the road beneath. From behind, we see the operator as a silhouette against the landscape he is actively reshaping. He ventures into thicker growth, a lone figure, carving a path of order through the wilderness. The methodical process continues, a hypnotic rhythm of destruction and creation. As he presses forward, the change is undeniable, the landscape yielding to his will. The sheer volume of cleared vegetation is a testament to the power of his machine and his skill. The machine gives way to the timeless power of his simple hoe, as a new worker begins the finishing touches. He works with a quiet intensity, his actions speaking of a deep connection to the land. He moves into a more challenging area, his determination matching the ruggedness of the terrain. With each powerful swing, he reclaims another piece of the path from the encroaching wilds. His persistence is awe-inspiring, a relentless force, chipping away at a monumental task. From this perspective, we see the artistry in his labor, the careful sculpting of the roadside. The system he employs is efficient and effective, a product of experience and wisdom. He confronts the densest overgrowth yet, unfazed and resolute. His work is a form of meditation, a focused effort that brings clarity and order to the world. As he moves along the path, he leaves behind a trail of pristine, reclaimed land. An error in the record, but the story of transformation continues. In the quiet of the countryside, another guardian of the land begins his solitary work. He carves away the overgrown edges, his movements, revealing the rich, red earth below. As more of the ditch is cleared, the true lines of the landscape begin to reappear. The progress is remarkable, the result of a steady hand and an unwavering eye for detail. Nearing the end of this section, the once choked channel is now almost completely clear. He stands back, a silent observer of the order he has single-handedly restored. Now a different tool for a different task, a gentle sweep to clear the final remnants. With the patience of a craftsman, he brushes the waterway clean, ensuring it is perfect. The ditch, once invisible, is now a defining feature, clean and functional. The final strokes of the broom signal the completion of this meticulous cleaning. A quiet moment of satisfaction, his work has transformed this small corner of the world. But his work isn't done. He turns his attention to the edges, perfecting the frame of his masterpiece. He chips away at the stubborn earth, ensuring every line is clean and precise. With just a few imperfections remaining, the final vision is about to be realized. And there it is, a picture of perfect order, carved from the chaos of nature. The entire channel stands reborn, a testament to one man's dedication. He walks the length of his work, a final inspection, his pride evident in his posture. The restored ditch creates a stunning contrast against the wild beauty of the surrounding greenery. His job here is done. He walks away, leaving behind a legacy of order and care. The final shot lingers on his accomplishment, a powerful, silent story of transformation. Under a cloudy sky, the work of renewal takes a different form, focusing on the earth-carved waterways. He meticulously scoops out the debris, his actions, both powerful and precise. And then the astonishing result is unveiled. The word "after" tells the whole story. This is the hidden beauty that was waiting to be uncovered, a landscape healed and whole. The video reminds us that this story of transformation is happening everywhere, all the time. The process is a symphony of controlled power, methodically clearing the way for what's to come. With the initial clearing complete, the true scale of the reclaimed space is revealed. And once again, human hands and simple tools arrive to perfect the work. The ceaseless, collaborative effort is what keeps these remote pathways open and alive. Despite a gap in our visual record, the narrative of hard work continues. The story is etched in the land itself, a testament to human resilience, a silent promise of renewal. Every cleared path is a victory. The work is never truly done. A continuous cycle of reclamation. The earth is patient. The workers are dedicated. And the transformation is profound. On a winding road nestled between lush green hills, two farmers begin their daily ritual. They work in a comfortable rhythm, their movements, a conversation without words. Their task is not just to clean, but to maintain the harmony between the man-made and the natural. The woman's focus is on the delicate edges, ensuring every detail is attended to. Their combined effort creates a scene of tranquil purpose, a living painting of rural life. The man's powerful strokes clear larger sections, his strength shaping the path. Together, they are custodians of this beautiful landscape, their work a daily act of love. Up close, the simplicity of their tools belies the profound impact of their labor. A stark line appears on the road, the boundary between the tended and the untamed. A hint of weariness shows, but her determination remains etched in her focus. A moment of rest, a shared glance, a brief respite in a long day's work. Nearby, their simple transport waits patiently, a symbol of their humble and dedicated life. As the light begins to soften, their pace slows, but the work continues. Her careful, meticulous actions show a deep respect for the land she is tending. They are not just cleaning a road, they are preserving a way of life with persistence and care. As they gather the cuttings, a quiet satisfaction is visible on their faces. The day's work is ending. They gather their tools, the setting sun casting long shadows. His posture relaxes, the weight of the day's labor lifting from his shoulders. They prepare to leave, their job complete, leaving a legacy of beauty and order in their wake. Her retreating figure dissolves into the serene landscape, a peaceful end to a day of hard work. The story returns to the concrete-lined ditches, where a team works to clear the vital arteries of the land. The woman's precise movements with the hoe are studying efficient, focused labor. She moves steadily along the waterway, her concentration unbroken, her purpose clear. The whole team is a well-oiled machine, each member playing a crucial role in the restoration. The ditch, once choked with debris, is slowly but surely being brought back to life. Even as one person works, the other stands ready, a testament to their seamless teamwork. Now the man takes his turn, his powerful digging, clearing the most stubborn blockages. And then the familiar roar of the grass cutter signals a shift in the nature of the work. A long stretch of overgrown roadside has been perfectly manicured, a line of order in the wild. He moves like a painter across a canvas, his machine, the brush that transforms the landscape. With the cutting finished, he switches to a new tool, beginning the meticulous cleanup process. He carefully gathers the cuttings, ensuring that no trace of the mess is left behind. The cut grass is bagged and removed, a crucial step in the complete restoration of the area. Even the smallest remnants are swept away, a testament to his incredibly high standards. A final pass with the hoe ensures the ground is smooth, clean, and perfectly finished. He stands back to admire his work, a completely transformed roadside, pristine and beautiful. The record is flawed, but the visual story is clear. A story of dedication, ... in the pursuit of perfection. This is the art of restoration. Along another rural road, a lone worker meticulously cleans a drainage ditch, his task demanding patience. His focus is intense, each movement calculated to restore the channel's flow. He moves methodically, leaving a trail of clean, functional waterway in his wake. He digs deep, ensuring that the restoration is not just superficial, but thorough and lasting. The sheer volume of clear debris speaks to the neglect the ditch had previously endured. His work continues with a steady, unwavering rhythm, a testament to his endurance. The transformation is slow but steady, a powerful visual of the impact of persistent effort. He is a true craftsman, his tool an extension of his will, his canvas the earth itself. Each section he completes is a small masterpiece of order and cleanliness. The work is physically demanding, yet he shows no signs of stopping. His dedication is inspiring, a quiet lesson in the importance of stewardship. The change he is making is not just aesthetic, it is vital for the health of the road and land. He is in a state of flow, completely absorbed in the task at hand. The road and the hills bear silent witness to his solitary, heroic effort. It is a job that requires not just strength, but a deep sense of responsibility. He is an unsung hero, his work essential yet often unnoticed. He moves with the efficiency of someone who has mastered their craft over many years. He is not just cleaning a ditch, he is protecting an entire ecosystem. His final efforts bring the long, arduous task to a satisfying close. Though the record is incomplete, his accomplishment is undeniable. In the dim light of a cloudy day, the final chapter of our story unfolds. This worker uses a series of tools, each chosen for a specific stage of the restoration. He first tackles the thick overgrowth, his powerful swings, clearing the way for the finer work to come. His systematic approach ensures that no part of the channel is overlooked. He returns with the broom, his meticulous nature demanding absolute perfection. Now he uses the hoe to scoop and clear, his movements both strong and efficient. As he nears the end, the ditch is almost completely restored to its original pristine state. And finally, the aftershot, a stunning transformation. A landscape reborn, a silent testament to the hidden power of work. A very special thank you to the owner of the Cleanup Relax for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.